Hello everybody, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to do lead generation on LinkedIn in 20 minutes a day. So the first thing that you need to do is to find the source of leads. This is going to take you 5 minutes. Once you found the source of leads, all that you need to do is scroll through the commenters and find leads that fit your ICP. Then send a personalized connection request. I'll show you how to do it. I'm going to give you templates as well, how to personalize in a matter of seconds, and then how to exchange DMs, 5 minutes, and this is how it's done. Okay, so let's go back to the first step. The step number one is find a source of leads. So what you need to do, find somebody that is serving your ICP, or it's serving the same ICP, but it's offering a different service, an alternative service, or a complementary service. And what you need to do, you go to their commenters or likers. This is one of my posts, so this is my own post. I haven't replied to all people, so you'll see here there's a lot of people that I haven't replied to. What you need to do, basically, these are people that requested my lead magnet. What you want to do, you want to send a connection request to these people if you're, let's say, in my space, in the lead generation space, because you know these people have an interest in growing their audience or generating more leads on LinkedIn. Okay, so this is what you need to find 2 or 3, sometimes 4 or 5 good sources of leads. So every day you open the commenters, even likers. It doesn't need to be people who are looking for a lead magnet, a particular resource, but people that you know are following somebody that might be aligned with what you have to offer, or might solve a different need for your demographic. And then the second step is personalized requests. As you can see here, I have a DM flow, connection requests and templates. I also have a DM playbook. Just go to the description of this video. If you're watching this on YouTube, there is a link to this resource here, so you can get it and you can start seeing my templates, start sending connection requests. Okay, so and the next step, again, it's a 3 steps exchange of DMs to schedule a call. This is probably not for all of your leads, but let's say 90 to 95% of your conversation will end in 3 simple DMs. So the process is all the same. So it's pretty straightforward. As you can see here, you have 3 steps, but you can look more in the playbook. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.